Either or, which is better? The only reason I think that better yung impeachment, naniniwala kasi ako pag jurisdiction, titignan muna natin sa body. Having said that, tama ang ruling ng Senate President that either or, which is better? The only reason I think that better yung impeachment court because we will take an oath of political neutrality. While there's no test for that, konsensya na natin lahat once we take our oath. When we convene as an impeachment court, am I correct? Senator Bongo and Senator Robin and anyone who wants to speak on the issue of dismissal or any other motion will be able to speak and can move that their statement also be reflected in our session after or tomorrow. Because the problem, Senator Bato is not an attorney but he's talking like an attorney. So Senator Batorni, my humble opinion is mas mabuting mag-oath at doon because the statement of Senator Bongo and Senator... Ako mismo, I wanna argue bakit hindi dismiss. If I argue it here now, then I will have to argue again in the impeachment court. But if we argue it in the impeachment court, then move that it also be in the records of the legislative session, then we have both of best worlds, if it's acceptable to you. Naniniwala kasi ako pag jurisdiction, titignan muna natin sa body.